Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mr. Filipinas Worldwide Batangas 2024 candidates are set to compete for the title that will allow the winner to represent Batangas in the upcoming Mr. Filipinas Worldwide pageant. These young men will showcase their talents, charisma, and advocacies, aiming to make an impact on both the national and international stage. UPA Mataas na Kahoy, Nino J. Brocal is passionate advocate for youth empowerment and education. With a degree in business administration, he uses his skills to promote entrepreneurship among young people, encouraging them to pursue their dreams, and Nino J is known for his charisma, confidence, and strong public speaking skills, which he uses to inspire and motivate others. His vision is to create more opportunities for underprivileged youth through education and mentorship programs. A firm believer in the power of education, and he hopes to use his platform to advocate for equal access to equality education for all. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!